The fact that this is a more focused sort of a conference on manufacturing, and it targets the audience that are specifically looking for this type of technology is definitely very helpful, because the questions we get are very much related to the problems that these manufacturers are trying to solve using the digital transformation these days. Well, obviously, post-speaking session was great, because that triggered a lot of direct questions that related to the direct problems that they were trying to solve. So I think the audience who came to this conference definitely had a very clear objective in mind that we were able to address after the talk there. Yeah, definitely. I think I'm a big believer that it's not a matter of number of delegates, it's a matter of quality and focus on the delegates, right? This conference is the second time you're attending this conference. The fact that you're attending this conference again is because we get sort of leads that they come to us with a specific objective that is very much relates to what we do on a day and the problems that we can solve for them. So it's a lot of quality conversation that we have with these customers. No, one word it doesn't do justice, but definitely event is organized very well. I think the fact that it's more specific on the subject, it's very useful and it's very efficient. So overall, it's a great experience.